Okay. Understand what I'm saying? That's Krampus crap. That's why you
All
play
right,
Krampus crap.
guys, we're at Saratoga Racino, giving a little whirl. Timberwolf, triple power. The pots look good. So let's see what we can do with this. Got a nice major and grand.
You got 200 in. So you got 100 to go. Otherwise, we're going back to Krampus crap, right?
Yep.
Yeah, we just hit Krampus crap to get money in this machine.
2 cent 160 to start.
2 cents 160. All right.
See what we can do, because these.
Yeah, it'd be nice to pop them. They're all glowing. Yeah, the first slot wasn't good, huh? What was the first slot we played today?
It was.
Ooh, good line hit. Nice hit, honey. That's a good line hit.
What was the first game we played? Oh, it was Zodiac Lantern.
That's a good line hit. Well, you got some on the fifth reel there. You had it made. Nothing like a Sunday morning slot session.
Look at those wolves. They're being nice to me.
I told you, if you got those wolves on the fifth line, you had it made. You had easy couple hundred.
I'll take it. Come on.
That's all right. Got some more ammo. I want to see a bonus round today.
Me too. Blocker.
Oh, so obviously the owl is a good sign, huh?
Yeah, it goes to the green one. You
Yeah.
gotta watch for the color.
I haven't played this version of Timberwolf. Oh, I wanted more wolves.
Come on, baby.
Can something just pop? Can something? Anytime you're ready there, slot. I just want a bonus round. I was running and gunning at Krampus craps. Oh, come on, double pop. Oh, gave it a little shaky, but nobody home. Interested to see what these bonuses do on this game, because I haven't seen them yet. So the moon's wild?
Not sure what's wild. It's in these? No?
Oh, no, the wolves are wild. I'm wondering what the moons are. Are moons like free games or something?
No, I think they're like that sun symbol on Buffalo.
Gotcha. Oh, you need some wolves in that second column. That'd have been a big line hit. Oh, again. Kiggies. We're down to Penny. Think it's gonna hit on Penny? Maybe. God dang it. Come on. Stop and pop. Might have to quick spin your way into this. Nope. Alright. Back to the long one. God dang it. I think he got his eye something, right? Oh, you want to try a nickel denom, huh?
I just want to see what the $4.
$4?
Just a couple.
Listen, hey, if you hit a bonus on 4, that's better. Oh, can't double. Nah. Ooh. First double noise I've heard, huh? Wow, this is a hard machine to
Apparently.
pop, huh? Come on.
Join us for exciting live harness racing 3 days a week. Catch all of the action on the track Sundays through Tuesdays at 12 noon.
Double. Ah. 25 to go, babe. Ooh, that'd have been nice if you had the bears in the middle,
I
huh?
know.
I can't remember the last time we hit a bonus.
Been a while.
One's been on fire with the bonuses. You can't hit a bonus to save our life over.
I will today, but it may not be this machine. Don't worry. I will.
I know, it's funny how it works, huh? A couple more spins. We'll go back to Crapple's Craft, right?
Yep. That's going to be our saving grace today. When in doubt, go back there.
Try to get some money back for the sauce. Oh, good line there, huh? 5 of a kind. Oh, pop! Dang it. They were all glowing when we came over, right?
All 3 of them are.
Yeah, I know. And they haven't popped yet. None of them.
Nope.
$100 in, they don't pop? It's crazy. Let's spin. Alright.
We tried.
Bubble craft it is.
See you later. We'll be back with another.